Hey folks, Shane Bush here. We're at Oak Ridge National Lab this week doing a human performance class. And while these national labs have some unique things to look at and experience, there's something really unique here at the Oak Ridge National Lab I want to share with you. So I'm going to walk over there and give you a glimpse into this. We're trying to move from managing human fallibility to increasing human ingenuity. And I want to give you a quick example of how that actually works. Now, this may look like an ordinary car to you, but actually as I walk around this thing, this is actually a 3D printed automobile done right here at the Oak Ridge National Lab. I'm going to try to get out far enough that you can actually see it. All but a few components were 3D printed, and there had to be a lot of human ingenuity that went into this, because if you look up the story, and I encourage you to do it, get on the internet and type in Oak Ridge National Lab or ORNL, and Dr. Lonnie Love will actually walk you through how they went through 5 weeks from designing to 3D printing and actually running this car down the highway. 3D printing just about everything. I think the tires and a couple of other components were not 3D printed. But folks, what an example of how we can take human performance and really take it to the next level of what we call human ingenuity. We'll talk about this more later. Hope you enjoy the video.